Hi everybody, it's me, Kaylin, and welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, as you can see in the title, we're going to be doing a toy review. And here are the toys that we are going to be reviewing. And as you can see, they're both My Little Pony toys, and yeah, I honestly haven't done a My Little Pony toy review in a few months or something. But, yeah, let's just get to the video. Oh, and I forgot to say, before we start this video, I'm not going to be posting for a week or two because I'm going to be at camp, and I might take a little break from YouTube for a week, just so you know. So this is my last video for a while, so yeah, I decided just to do a My Little Pony video, and yeah, and the face reveal is coming soon. It's just, I'm just, like, waiting till, after my camp, I'll post another video after this video's posted about it, so you all know what's going on, or but maybe I'll just post this video later or something. But yeah, let's just get to the opening. So we're going to be doing the big Celestia first because, as you know, the Cutie Mark crew things have confetti in them. That's going to be a mess, so I'm going to do that at the end. So, this is the box. At the top it has the My Little Pony logo. It has a big Celestia with glitter all over her. There's a Celestia in the corner. It says Princess Celestia, the warning, the logo, another warning. And we have a creepy kid. And what's even happening to her hair? I don't even want to know what's happening with her hair because it's actually really scary. If you turn the box around, it's just hair. On that side, it's just like the bottom's just like writing and barcode thingy. Lots of stuff that in different languages or something. There's that creepy kid again. Her hair is dyed. Okay, she's holding the Celestia. And they have this one with the Luna. I want the Luna. They didn't have it at Walmart, so I had to get this Celestia, but still. Right here it says, Princess Celestia, this royal princess is Wow, I can't read it. Okay, that's nice, I can't read. So, let's get to opening it. Okay, so I unboxed her, and for a size comparison of a real pony, she's about 2 times the height, because this is about 3 inches tall, so that means that this is about 6 inches, so that's nice. So let's review her. She came with this comb. I like how it looks compared to the other pony combs, because they're just like one solid color, but this one has like the pink and the purple. I like that better than the other combs, so we'll just put that there, and we're going to review this thing. She looks better out the package than she does in it. They put some pretty sparkles for like some, I think it's mascara, no, not eyeliner or something. Eyeshadow. I'm dumb, I don't know makeup, but eyeshadow. They have she has a sparkly horn. Her wings are sparkly, but they're not on the inside, like right here, but they're on the outside. But that's what we expect from Hasbro, not doing that. The Cutie Mark's on one side, it's the usual Celestia Cutie Mark, it's just the sun. She has pink eyes. Her hair isn't in that bad quality. It'll be easy to style. The tail is in really great quality. It's really soft. Her hair's just like really soft than usual pony hair that you get in G4.5 packages. But yeah, I really like how she looks, and she's really pretty. So we're just gonna put her over here. And now it's time to do this thing. If you are a My Little Pony person, you know that Kmart Crew packages, these kind have confetti all in them. And I'm already getting confetti on here. So this is going to be fun to open because of the confetti. Okay, let's open it. Wow, there's confetti everywhere. So when I was in the middle of filming that, my camera fell. Well, my tablet fell, so that's nice. And as you can see, there's confetti everywhere, so we'll just sprinkle that over here. Because Hasbro decided this year to make kids' rooms a mess and stuff. So we're gonna open this. We're just gonna open it and see who we got. Okay, I'm struggling. Oh my gosh, we got Spike! Guys, we got Spike. He's so cute. We have the baby Spike. We have a little stand thing that we put him on so he can stand up. And he's so cute. And then we have this floaty thingy for like if he wants to go in the pool or something. And he's so cute. I love him. So we're gonna look at this thing. Just open it up. And this is what it looks like. It says Spike the Dragon. He's careful not to snag the scales off his floaty. Oh, he looks so cute. And then we have these others down here. I want that one right here. That one looks funny. Or the rarity one. I want the rarity one. And here are the ones that you can get. I have this one so far. And the Derpy one. And those are the ones I have. They're so... Now we have a Spike. This is nice. Yeah, and he's just so cute. So I hope that you all liked this toy review. It was a little bit short, but we got 2 new ponies, and I love the Spike and the Celestia. Oh, and I just fell. That's nice. I don't care. I remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye, peoples.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss, yeah. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss, yeah. He gon' spend